Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today we're going to draw Brian from Family Guy. Let's get in there, draw that white Labrador. I'm going to go in at the top up here and just draw a curve for the top of his head. So I'm going to go sort of just off, sort of centre, just come back this way. So a bit like that, okay? Let's pop an ear in, so it's a bit like a rounded triangle. So I'm going to start here, moving my way up, okay? So up, from there, and just come down a bit. And up, okay. Next up, let's pop an eye in. So big round eye about here on his head, fairly close to the top of his head. So I'm just going to pop that about here and just do a big circle like that. Okay. Next up, we're going to do the rest of his eye on the other side, the right hand side one. We're going to go up and around down. So start from where we just created that eye there. Just come out around down like that. Okay. Next up, I'm just going to do his nose area first. So we're going to start from sort of this point here, come out to about here. So let's just do a line down, just go straight down to about there. Okay. And just join up those gaps there, like so. And just pop another little bit of ear in just there. Okay. Let's pop the rest of his sort of neck and head area in here. So we're just going to go do a little curve line just down like that. Okay. Next up, we're going to pop an oval in here. So this is his nose. Just pop a nice oval in there. Colour that in. Going to do the bottom part of his nose now, come out to around sort of where his eye is around here, okay? So I'm going to come down, around in like this, like that. It kind of curves up and around in there. Then there's a little lip, goes around like that. Join that up, and then we'll just put a little mark in there where the teeth would be, okay? So do these eyes now, just got the eyelids, so just going to do a curve here. And then a curve here, like that, and then two black circles, like so, looking over this way. Cool, okay. Next up, we're going to pop his collar in. So, I'm going to draw a line from that lip to the edge of his neck, and we're just going to come out a bit. Same on the other side, where his lip comes out, just where that is there, line out, and we're just going to join that up with a curve around there. Cool, okay. Let's get his stomach area in. That's going to come down to about here, I would say. So we're just going to mark that up, probably about, say, there. And we'll just join that up with a nice curve that's going to end up where that collar is there. So just curve up and in like that. Okay. Next up, let's just do this curve of his arm on this side, from his shoulder down from the collar, just down to about here. So just go a little curve like that. Come out a bit here where his fingers are, with paws, 1, 2, 3, and up, and then just curve in there. Then we can draw a little curve in like this side, just joining up here, so like this, okay? And then we can just pop his legs in, so straight line down here. And then this side just comes out, I think, a little bit of a curve out rather than straight. So just from about here, just do a curve out like that, okay? Okay, next up, let's go to the centre here, and we just need to do a little curve in like this. All right, just join that up with a little line like that, just sort of to emphasise his body shape. Then we can do his paws here. So let's do the left side paw first. So I'm just going to go down like that. Okay, then move this around, curve down here, and we're just going to join that up. Same on the other side. Just do a curve down like that, and then around, just join up on the edge there. Two little lines in, just to show that he has paws, okay? And this side here, just pop his tail in, so it's a little tail, just gonna come out like a little rounded triangle, sort of out here, and like that, okay? Now I can do him doing a little thumbs up here, so I'm just gonna bring his arm out to, let's say, we're gonna start about here, just sort of bring that out like that. Bit at the bottom, maybe start about there, okay? Bring that out there, like that. Now we're going to do 3 kind of fingers for his paws, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then we can do a little thumb up like that, so a little curve, and then bring it up for a thumb up and down like that. Okay, just join those bits up like that. Maybe just add a little bit more there. All right, looking good. One more thing we need to add in here is just his dog tag. So it's a circle just around here. So do a circle there, and then just join that up. Okay, let's just ground him on the floor as well. So just going to do a couple of lines out either side of him like that. All right, really simple color on this one. So let's get in there with a nice yellow, and we're just going to fill this tag area in like so. Okay, then next up, let's just pop some colour in on the bottom area there. So just swap that around for the chunky part of the Pro marker. All right, just give him a little bit of area, kind of grounds him at the bottom here. All right, nice, just a nice little pop of colour. All right, and then finally, we're just going to put his collar colour in. So get a nice vibrant red, and then we're just going to fully colour that in. Nice flat colours for the cartoon character here. Fill that in. If you like what you're seeing, please like and subscribe. That would be great, thank you. All right, that's in there. And then all that's left now is just let's pop his name in. So let's pop that in. Brian from Family Guy. Okay, thanks for watching.